What if I told you AI isn't coming for your job, but someone using AI might?
And most product managers still don't realize it. The biggest career shift is already happening right in front of us.
Every major technology revolution creates winners and losers. The internet did, smartphones did, cloud computing did. AI is no different. Just 1 year ago, I spent hours writing product documents. Research took days. Stakeholder updates consumed entire afternoons. My days were filled with repetitive work, gathering information, organizing documents, chasing updates.
Today, many of those same tasks take minutes, not because I work harder, because I work differently.
And AI helps me focus on what really matters: understanding customers, making decisions, solving problems.
Most people think AI means ChatGPT. But that's only the beginning. AI is quickly becoming your researcher, your analyst, and your productivity partner.
The best product managers are no longer working alone. They're working alongside AI.
Let's make this practical. Think about the work product managers do every day: research, documentation, analysis, prioritization, communication.
Let's start with product documentation, one of the most time-consuming responsibilities for any product manager. Traditionally, we collect information from multiple sources, organize our thoughts, define requirements, and then spend hours drafting documents.
Today, AI can generate a high-quality first draft in minutes, giving product managers a strong starting point instead of a blank page. That doesn't eliminate the need for product thinking. It simply removes repetitive effort so you can focus on decisions. Now let's talk about user research, another area where AI is changing the game.
Most teams collect enormous amounts of customer feedback, but very little of it gets analyzed effectively. AI can identify patterns across thousands of customer interactions and surface recurring themes within minutes. Instead of spending hours searching for insights, product managers can focus on understanding why those problems exist.
Notice the pattern. AI isn't replacing product managers. It's removing low-value repetitive work so product managers can spend more time solving customer problems. Let's talk about analytics. Most product teams have more data than ever before, yet many still struggle to extract meaningful insights.
Traditional analysis often starts with exporting reports, cleaning data, building dashboards, and manually searching for answers.
AI changes the workflow. Instead of spending hours looking for patterns, you can ask questions directly and receive actionable insights. Imagine discovering that user retention dropped because onboarding became confusing, not after days of investigation, but within minutes. Faster answers lead to faster decisions. And in product management, speed of learning often becomes a competitive advantage.
Now let's talk about prioritization, one of the hardest responsibilities for any product manager.
AI can help evaluate opportunities, identify patterns, summarize customer demand, and surface recommendations that support better prioritization.
But here's something important. AI can recommend. Product managers still decide. Judgment remains a human responsibility.
Now compare two product managers. One spends most of the day gathering information. The other spends most of the day making decisions. That's the real opportunity. AI doesn't replace product managers. It amplifies the best ones. And the gap between those who use AI and those who don't is growing every day. So what does the future of product management actually look like? Not a world where AI replaces people. A world where people work differently.
The best product managers won't spend their days gathering information. They'll orchestrate intelligent systems that help them move faster.
As AI handles repetitive tasks, product managers gain something incredibly valuable: more time with customers.
But there's another side to this story. What happens if you ignore AI completely?
The risk isn't that AI takes your job. The risk is that someone who understands AI becomes dramatically more effective than you.
The good news? You don't need to become an engineer. You don't need to become a data scientist.
In this series, I'll show you practical ways to use AI in product management. No theory, no hype, real workflows. We'll cover prompts, research, product documents, analytics, AI agents, automation, and the exact systems modern product managers are using today. In the next episode, we'll answer a simple question. How does AI actually work? No technical jargon, no coding, just practical understanding.